Thanks for checking out my free tap dance classes. This dance class video is a recording of the free online tap classes that I teach weekly. This is of an intermediate tap level, but I also teach an extreme beginner tap dance class. You can find the link in the description below too. Also join the Facebook below for details on the free tap dance lessons. If you can't attend the weekly live classes, definitely subscribe to this channel so you can learn to tap dance with the tutorials and live class recordings. I also post contests you can enter to win free private tap dance lessons with me. Happy tapping!
And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and stay here, and 7, and switch. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, stay here, and switch.
Okay, so let's try it right and then left. We'll do it slowly. And you don't have to cross so big. Now, I didn't see any of you doing that because I was looking at fixing my camera. But just in case, you don't have to, your thighs don't have to be squeezing together. The working knee doesn't go in front of the other leg. So it's not like you got to go to the bathroom. So this working knee here stays here. So it's not, yeah? So it's kind of like it's on a hinge there. Okay, here we go. And 5, and 6, and ready, and go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and stay here, and 7, and switch. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, stay here, and switch. How do we do? Good. Alright, so now let's do it again and we'll do it right, left. So 4 times through. 5, 6, ready, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and stay here, 7, switch. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and stay, and 7 again. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, switch, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Now, for some of you I know you could add the heel to this that I would love to add. But even if you have something to hold on to, it would be best. So if you don't have oh, there we go. I see Peggy grabbing the counter. Yeah, not because I don't trust your balance, but just the fact that the swinging of this leg, makes it harder to stay still. So just to start, if you want to hold on to something, so you're going to go shuffle, heel, shuffle, heel, shuffle, heel, shuffle, heel, shuffle, heel, shuffle, heel, 7, the 7th one is straight, and switch, and cross heel, uncross heel, and cross heel, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. I think I messed that up. And 7. Yeah, no, that was right. Okay, so let's do it slowly. Let's do it on the right and then into the left, and that's all. Just one side, one time each side. 5 and left. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So before the counts were and 1, and 2, now it's and 1, and 2. So it's not and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So the rhythm of the shuffle and everything changes more. I guess it's more like a triplet now, because before it was and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now it's and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So you see and hear the difference just by adding that heel. I mean, we could do and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. But that's not as fun, and that takes longer. So let's do it one more time, right and left. A little faster, but not fast. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and switch, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and switch. Okay, so it starts with 2 paddles, which we all know. Heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. Then it sounds like it's a paddle again, but it's not. Heel, spank, toe. Now it sounds like a paddle again. Heel, spank, step. So it's 2 paddles. Then heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, step. Then it reverses left. Left is a paddle. Right is a paddle. Heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, step. Alright, so do paddle right, paddle left, heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, step, and reverse. Right onto the left. Right onto the left. That's funny. 5, 6, paddle right. Heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, switch. Heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, switch. Let's do it again. We don't need the beginning of the song. 5, 6, 5, 6, paddle and heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, step. This is kind of from the other dance. I'm really into like these things right now. So lap, heel, heel, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step. So you do a flap heel here and a dig. Spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step. So let me just do the whole thing. Da 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 da. Yeah? So let's just try this new part. Flap, heel, dig, spank, toe, step 3 times. 5, 6, flap, heel, dig. Flap, heel, dig, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step. Let's do it again and I'll say the counts for it. 5, 6, ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Alright, so let's try the whole thing with counts, no music. Paddle, paddle, heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, step, reverse, new part. 5, 6, ready, paddle. Heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, switch. Heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, switch. Lap, heel, dig, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step. So the rhythm gets a little weird here. It's 1 and 2 and 3. It's not that fast, but and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 5, 6, ready, paddle. Lap, heel, dig, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step. Let's do it again. 5, 6, ready, and heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, step. Lap, heel, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step. Okay, I'm going to do it facing front so you can see it. So I'll do it straight first, and then I'll move it to make it fancy. So it's your right heel. You're going to dig it, but as you dig it, you lift your other foot. So you're actually standing on your heel for a second. Yeah? So it's 1 right away. So it's not a dig and then climb up. It's all at once. And you then rock back onto your other foot. So the movement is like a ball change, but it's going from front to back. Usually a ball changes back front. So it's 1, 2. But you do it on your heel. 1, 2. I think that's the counts. Heel, step, step. Wait. it's 1 and 2. So you don't got to stay there long, and you don't have to pick up your back foot for long. You just got to pick it up enough so that you can put it down to make a noise. 1 and 2, and then you reverse. 3 and 4. Now, depending on what kind of floor you have, if you don't want to do the heel, you could just do a flat foot. And that's what we call a train step. Step forward, back, together. Step forward, back, together. Choo-choo! So heel, step, step. Heel, step, step. So if you have a floor that you don't care about, heel, be careful, you might want to hold on and not twist your ankle. That second that you're on it, heel, step onto that back foot, and you swivel the heel. When you step back onto that other foot, it's kind of more to the side now. So it's heel, step out, because you step away from the fan of your toe. So it's kind of hard to fan it out and keep your leg right underneath you. So you want to fan it and step, rock to the side. And then to the left. So however you want to do it. If you want to do it straight without fanning your heel. And it's actually slower than the rest of the steps. So you do the lap, heel, heel, swing, toe, step, swing, toe, step, swing, toe, step, heel, step, step. Heel, step, step. So you have time, especially if you do the fan. Heel, step, step. Heel, step, step. 5, 6, paddle. Lap, heel, dig. Lap, heel, dig. Swing, toe, step. Get ready for the heel swivel. Heel, step, step. Heel, step, step. Okay, so just for kicks, you want to make things a little harder, because I know sometimes you do. From the beginning, you do the paddles. Now, if you want to make it harder, heel, you add a heel before the toe. Heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, step. So I guess a better way to say it is you add a heel after the heel spank. So you do heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, step. So it would be paddle, paddle, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, step. So if you're not doing the heel, everything else should still be the same with me. So it's heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, step. Or heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, step. So I didn't say the heel, but I did it. So yeah, so if you want to make that a little something, something. And then the same thing on the left, heel, spank, heel, toe. Oh, it feels weird on the left. Heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, step. And then one more thing, I bet you know what it is that I'm going to change. Heel, spank, heel, toe, toe, heel. So instead of a step, you could do heel, spank, toe, heel. Or heel, spank, heel, toe, spank, heel, toe, heel. So if you want, add a heel after the heel spank. And if you want, when it's time to step, make it 2 sounds. It's a little fast with the music, but if it's something you just wanted to practice without the song for a while, because it will go heel, spank, heel, heel, yeah. Yeah. You don't do them 2 in a row like that. I was just trying to show you. So yeah, so let's go over just that part, the new heel and step heel. So it goes heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, step, heel. Then you would paddle left, paddle right, and then heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, step, heel. Or if you want to just concentrate on the heels and not do the step heel, whatever you want. You know I can't just teach one way. I need to do 16 different versions. Yeah, so 5, 6, ready, and heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, step, heel, lap, heel, spank, toe, step, heel, swivel. 5, 6, ready, and
strings on, you done it right.